En la agroganadera La Huella nos dedicamos a la producción agrícola y ganadera. La región donde nos encontramos no cuenta con una estructura desarrollada para el suministro de energía necesaria para las actividades diarias: taller, oficina, viviendas, fábrica de balanceado, bombas de agua. Anteriormente nos manejábamos con un motor generador a combustión, el cual suponía un importante costo en la operativa y además no cubría con las necesidades energéticas diarias. Por eso hemos decidido construir un sistema fotovoltaico y así aprovechar la luz solar.
La Huella is growing and it needs more energy from year to year. And right now we need a stable solution for a safe energy supply for La Huella. We want to put 330 solar panels in the field behind me. We start with a small size from 150 kilowatts, but the system is scalable up to 300 kilowatts in the future. Solar panels are imported from Germany, from the company IBC. IBC was our provider in Germany for all the components of the system. The heart of the system are battery inverters with batteries. They are for the night. And there are also inverters for the PV modules. It's a combination of these two systems. During the day, the PV inverters will load the batteries, and in the night, the battery inverters will support the farm with energy from the batteries. The sun power here in Paraguay is very high. If we compare it to Germany, it's 2 times higher, and we have here 300 days a year full solar power. Therefore, Paraguay is a very good place to set up a solar system. We are here in the main technic room. It's a room with the batteries and the inverters. The room has air conditioning because the Chaco is very hot. We have sometimes 50 degrees outside, and the batteries don't like high temperatures. The limit is at 30 degrees. We have 12 BYD battery systems, in total around about 170 kilowatt hours. And we have 9 inverters that are monophasico inverters, and we need 3 inverters for one triphasico cluster. In total we have 3 clusters with round about 20 kilowatts. That means we have 60 kilowatts constant power for the farm here. This is a future-proof project, and we scale up it in the future up to 300 kilowatts. Then we have 30 inverters and 30 battery systems here in the sala. This is our second technic room. It's a small room. Here are the inverters for the solar modules. We have 3 triphasico inverters from SMA2. They have 50 kilowatts each. That means in total we have 100 kilowatts solar power. This is a generator house. The generator is a brand from Paraguay. We bought it in Asunción. We need it during the day if we have bad weather. The generator is controlled by the photovoltaic system, and it works full automatically. The project is finished right now. We are online since 3 months, and we use round about 50% of the power of the plant. That may, for the next 2 or 3 years, we have enough room to expand the farm.